Well, assigning roles in a class is quite a simple process. First of all, you go to assign roles section of administration menu, you click on it and it takes you to assign roles page. Unfortunately, role titles are still in Turkish since the main system is in Turkish, but what concerns us here is eğitimci, which means teacher, instructor, and we have öğrenci, which is student. So there is this hierarchy here. Yönetici is administrator. He can assign a person the teacher role, student role. As instructor, you can assign all these like guest and student. What concerns us here, as I said, is assigning students to your class. When you click on öğrenci, student, it takes you to these two boxes. In the left one you see your existing students, so they have been assigned the student role in your class, and they are now in the grade book attendance sheet. So the one on the right is to search for new students. You see the search bar here, and add to your class. In the first week of the semester you will be given a hard copy of your student list, and name by name you will need to find your students and assign them the student role in your class. Let's assume that I have this list and on it I have a student called Ahmet Argun. So I search him from this box. Among about 5,000 students which have been put in this pool, I have selected Ahmet now, and I now can add him to my class. And after completing the same process with about 20 students, it is important to click here assign roles in course B2C1. Then when you're out, the number of students will have already changed. As you see, now we have 5 students in this class. Well, this is the easy part. The complex part is registering your students. In the first week of the semester you will be given a list of about 20 students, and to keep things organized, most of the time we register our own students. Along with your mentor class list, you will be also given a list of student email addresses and their citizenship numbers. By using these two, you will need to register your students. You will need to create new accounts for your students in your mentor class. To do that, it will be actually very similar to your own registering process. You will go to the main page of your Moodle. It's again the same page, moodle.menishoa.edu.tr, and you will click create a new account again. Now I have two lists. On one of them I have my 20 specific students that I want to put in my own class, on my mentor class. On the other I see all the students listed with their student numbers and their citizenship numbers. Their usernames in this case will be their student numbers. It's going to be an 8-digit number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and their passwords will be their citizenship number, which is a 12-digit number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It is safer to unmask this password, because if you make a mistake it takes a lot of time to correct it. Their email addresses will also be standard in this fashion, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Their student numbers at st.meliksah.edu.tr. Then you will repeat the same process. You put their names here and surname. You can make up a city, let's assume it is Kayseri. Once you have completed all this, you will click on create my new account. Now that student will be in our pool of about 6,000 students. But your administrator will need to confirm this registration process. After you get this email from the administration stating that all your students have been confirmed, you will now go to fish them out of that pool. Following process is just like I described in the first part of this tutorial. You will go to your mentor class, you will click on assign roles, you will go to öğrenci, student, then you will see these two boxes, and you will fish out your students, this time with their student numbers. That's the safest way. So my student was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I will find them all, and of course there will be no results. I will find them all and add to my class, and I will assign roles to them and sign out.